Hi, and welcome to this new short tutorial. And for this one, we will get back on the project I did on the last tutorial, the Smode beauty project. I will make a link in the description of the video, so that you can reach this point. But just for you to know, it's a simple setup with two LED screens who shared a single content map. So in this tutorial, we will see how to simulate a transparent LED screen into Smode, because I've been asked this question a lot. And to do that, let's create a new content map dedicated to the transparent screen. So right-click content map, and let's call that transparent. And let's change a little bit its resolution and divide its width by 2. All right. So now it's my transparent LED screen, and let's send the beauty mountain into this screen. And you see that right now nothing happened because right now by default my transparent screen is in test pattern mode. So let's put that into content mode, and then now I have my mountain displayed on this transparent screen. So let's go in the stage and create this new transparent screen. So if I create a new planar LED screen and link it to my transparent screen, this will not allow us to do what we need to do. Even if it does not seem quite intuitive, to simulate a transparent LED screen, I will need to use surface projection. And let's link that into the transparent screen. Okay. And then, of course, when you create a surface plane, Smode will not automatically adapt the resolution or the size of the LED screen, so you will have to enter the value manually. Here I have no clue how much it would be, so let's leave that this way and call this surface transparent screen. So this will allow me to simulate a transparent LED screen, but I will not be able to see the pitch of my LED screen like on the regular LED screen. And what that will allow me to do to create a 3D surface is to go back into the beauty previzualisation. Alright. And then what I'm going to do is add a pipeline layer, which will be the transparent screen pipeline layer. And now the transparent screen pipeline layer has a blending mode, which is here in its parameter, and let's put that in additive. So right now you see that it's not quite working because as I said, I need to work only with stage surfaces, because in my stage simulation I still get back all of these 3D elements. So to do that, let's go back into the stage and let's transform this right and left panel. I will copy their size. Okay. So create a surface, link it to the right. Okay, and copy its size. Okay. Let's do the same for the other. And let's copy their position parameter. So copy 3D placement on the right, and the right will be this one. So past 3D placement, and do the same thing on the left. So copy position, copy 3D placement, and past 3D placement. Alright, so now I should have all my surfaces. I have the left, and now let's put the right on the right, the left on the left. Alright, so now I have my 3 LED screens. So in my stage simulation I cannot see I cannot simulate a transparency, but now I have some other means to do that into my my Smode simulation. So here I have my transparent screen, and let's add here by duplicating this screen and then link it to the right, and then let's duplicate this one, Control D, and link it to the left. Alright, and here you see that I have my front screen that is added in additive blending mode, and let's put those in normal mode, the back screen, because they are not transparent. Okay, and you can also instantiate this element as I did before by right-clicking pipeline layer, and now you have access to all of your projected surfaces. And now we do not need stage light anymore, and neither these two ones. And now let's do like red, green, and blue. So red, green, and blue. Where is it? It is here. And let's put that into the left, that into the right, and that into the transparent. And now if I go to the processor, you see how my blending is working. And actually we use that on this technique to do the previzualisation on the stage previzualisation for the space echo of Etienne De Crecy, and it worked quite very well. It was quite accurate from what we saw directly on stage, but of course you will not be able to simulate the pitch of your LEDs, so well, that's more or less, so to speak. Well, that's all for today, and have a nice day.